Imagine a life where your money works for you, paving the way to financial freedom. Welcome to our series on the power of investment. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets. Investing is more than just a financial tool, it's a gateway to achieving your financial goals. By making smart investment choices, you can transform your finances and reach the independence you've always dreamed of. In this video, we'll introduce you to the concept of financial freedom and explore how investment plays a crucial role. From growing your wealth to providing long-term security, investment is key to unlocking your potential. Join us as we delve deeper into how you can take control of your financial future through strategic investment. Let's get started on this empowering journey. Investing offers numerous benefits that can significantly enhance your financial future. Imagine a scenario where your wealth isn't just stagnant, but steadily growing. Investing is a tool that not only boosts your wealth, but also provides a sense of financial security. Let's explore how this works. One of the most compelling aspects of investing is its ability to grow your wealth over time. Unlike simply saving money, investing allows your funds to multiply through the power of compound interest. This means you earn interest on both your initial investment. Moreover, diversification plays a crucial role in maximizing investment benefits. By spreading your investments across various assets, you minimize risk and enhance potential returns. This strategy helps protect your portfolio from significant losses and ensures a balanced approach to wealth accumulation. As we delve deeper into the world of investing, you'll discover how these strategies can transform your financial landscape. Stay with us as we uncover more insights and practical tips to harness the true power of investment, leading you towards financial empowerment and independence. Many of us face financial challenges at various stages of our lives, from mounting debt to unexpected expenses or the daunting task of saving for the future. But what if there was a way to turn these challenges into opportunities? Investment could be your ally in this endeavor. Consider the power of investing as a solution. By channeling your resources into carefully chosen investments, you can pave a path towards financial stability and growth. Investments allow your money to work for you rather than the other way around. Let's delve into some real-life examples. Take Sarah, who struggled with credit card debt. Through disciplined investing, she not only paid off her debts, but also built a substantial savings cushion. Or consider John, who was able to send his children to college without financial strain, thanks to the growth of his investment portfolio. These stories aren't isolated incidents. They're testimonies to the power of investment in overcoming financial challenges. By understanding and leveraging the potential of investment, you can also transform your financial reality. As we explore this powerful ally in your financial journey, remember that investment is not just about money. It's about creating opportunities and securing a future where you're in control. In our next segment, we'll further explore how investment can empower you to achieve financial independence and success. In the journey to financial empowerment, investment stands as a powerful tool, ready to reshape your future. Imagine the freedom of steering your financial destiny with confidence. Meet Sarah, who once struggled with debt but found liberation through strategic investment. Her story is not unique. Countless individuals have harnessed the potential of investing to achieve financial independence. From diversifying portfolios to embracing the magic of compound interest, they have turned aspirations into reality. The beauty of investment lies in its ability to empower. It offers you control, transforming dreams into achievable goals. But empowerment starts with a single step: choosing to invest in your future. It's not just about numbers or markets. It's about seizing control of your financial narrative. As you consider this path, remember the stories of those who have succeeded. Let their journeys inspire you to embark on your own. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, the time to start is now. In our next segment, we'll guide you with practical steps and resources to launch your investment journey. Because every story of empowerment begins with taking that first decisive step. Ready to start your investment journey? Here are some tips to get you started. First, identify your financial goals. Ask yourself what you hope to achieve through investing, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or simply growing your wealth. Next, educate yourself. Utilize resources like books, online courses, and financial advisors to understand the basics of investing and the different options available. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. It's important to diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential gains. Don't forget to monitor your investments regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. Stay informed about market trends and shifts in economic conditions. Remember, investing is a long-term commitment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Finally, take action today. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Empower yourself with knowledge and the willingness to take that first step. Financial growth is within your reach, and it begins with a single decision to invest in your future. Thank you for joining us in exploring the power of investment. We hope you're inspired to embark on your own path to financial empowerment.